Hey there, dear viewers. Today we're here to talk about one of the most exciting kitchen appliances of 2024, air fryers. Yes, you heard it right. These small devices not only revolutionize frying without oil, but also completely transform our cooking experience. Air fryers offer an easy way to prepare delicious and healthy meals. Today we've compiled the top 5 air fryers of 2024 for you. Each one offers unique features to help you create wonders in the kitchen. If you're looking to enjoy tasty meals in a healthier way, you're in the right place. So keep watching the video to discover the best air fryers out there. Instant Vortex Plus. In our rigorous testing, the Instant Vortex Plus consistently outperformed its competitors, delivering the crispiest fries and chicken wings we've ever tasted. Picture this: perfectly crispy exteriors giving way to soft, fluffy insides in the fries, and moist, flavorful chicken with skin so crispy you won't believe it came from an air fryer. What sets the Instant Vortex Plus apart is its thoughtful design upgrades. The addition of a plastic window in the basket and a built-in light allow you to monitor your food's progress without interrupting the cooking process. Plus, the odor erase filter ensures your kitchen stays fresh, even after air frying your favorite foods. Now, I won't sugarcoat it. The Instant Vortex Plus doesn't come with cooking guides. But hey, that's part of the fun, right? Experimenting with different cooking times and temperatures until you find your perfect crispy goodness. And while we're on the topic of minor inconveniences, the crisper plate may slide out if you tilt the basket too much, and the display might collect a few fingerprints. But trust me, these are small drawbacks compared to the incredible performance you'll experience with this air fryer. In my opinion, the Instant Vortex Plus is hands down the best air fryer on the market right now, perfect for anyone looking to up their cooking game with crispy, delicious results every time. Cosori Pro LE Air Fryer L501. What sets this air fryer apart is its sleek design and innovative touch control panel, located right on the glossy top of the appliance. It's a real eye-catcher in any kitchen, and adds a touch of modernity to your cooking space. In our testing, we were impressed by the results this air fryer delivered. It cooked up crispy fries with that perfect crunch on the outside and fluffy goodness on the inside. And let me tell you, the chicken wings that came out of this fryer were nothing short of succulent and juicy, a real treat for the taste buds. Now, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. We did notice that the Cosori Pro LE struggled a bit with evenly browning foods, which meant we had to tweak our cooking times a bit. And when it came to frozen foods, it wasn't as effective as we hoped. But fear not, because this air fryer does come with some handy features to make your cooking experience easier. With 7 presets for dishes like bacon, seafood, and even cake, you'll have some cooking inspiration right at your fingertips. Plus, there's a reminder to shake feature that alerts you halfway through cooking, ensuring your food gets that perfect crisp all around. Overall, if you're looking for a stylish and efficient air fryer without breaking the bank, the Cosori Pro LE Air Fryer L501 is definitely worth considering. Ultinic K10 Smart. Let me tell you, during our review, the Ultinic K10 truly impressed us with its performance. Its user-friendly control panel is packed with features like keep warm, automatic preheat, and a helpful reminder to shake the food, all of which add tremendous value, especially considering its budget-friendly price point. While the Ultinic K10 primarily focuses on air frying, it does come with a convenient app and 11 presets, making it incredibly easy to use and a fantastic addition to any kitchen countertop. Now, it's important to note that you won't be able to cook 2 different types of food simultaneously with this air fryer, and its control panel is located on the top, so it may not be the most convenient if you have limited space on your countertop. But overall, if you're looking for a reliable, budget-friendly air fryer that delivers excellent results every time, the Ultinic K10 is definitely worth considering. Instant Vortex Slim 6 Quart. Now, don't let its compact size fool you. This air fryer packs a punch when it comes to cooking. It air fries brilliantly and quietly, with noise levels reaching only 50.4 dB during our testing, earning it a Quiet Mark certification. Plus, it's well built and surprisingly spacious inside, so you can still whip up all your favorite recipes with ease. However, there are a few trade-offs to consider due to its smaller footprint. You won't find a dehydrate setting, and instead of a progress or text bar, you'll have a simple 7-segment screen displaying the temperature, time, and cooking stage. Additionally, there's no window or light, and you'll miss out on features like odor erase and clear cook found in the regular Vortex models. If these features are essential to you and space isn't a concern, you might want to opt for one of the larger models instead. Overall, the Instant Vortex Slim 6 Quart Air Fryer is a fantastic option for anyone looking to maximize their kitchen space without compromising on performance. Cosori Lite 4.0 Quart Smart. What sets the Cosori Lite apart is its compact size and affordability. It won't hog up too much space on your countertop or in your cupboard, making it ideal for smaller kitchens or households. With its single-drawer design, it's perfect for whipping up meals for 1 or 2 people. Though Cosori claims it can handle up to 3 portions, realistically, it's better suited for smaller servings. Now, let's talk about capacity. The cooking basket may be on the smaller side at 20 cm wide by 20 cm deep, which might pose a challenge for larger food items like fries. However, if you're cooking for yourself or with a partner, it's a solid choice. One of the standout features of the Cosori Lite is its versatility. You can control it either through the control panel or with the convenience of an app, adding a modern touch to your kitchen experience. Plus, the fact that the basket and tray are dishwasher safe is a huge bonus for easy cleanup. In summary, while the Cosori Lite may not be ideal for entertaining large groups, it's definitely a top contender for smaller kitchens and households. Today, we delved into the top 5 air fryers of 2024, and we've seen which model might be the perfect fit for you. If you're excited about cooking up healthy and delicious meals, this video was just what you needed. Considering trying out one of these air fryers could be a great step towards experimenting with new recipes and embracing healthier eating habits. Remember, if you're thinking about your health and your taste buds, these devices could be an excellent option for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with our latest content, and if you enjoyed our videos, be sure to share them. Keep following us for healthy and tasty meal ideas. Until next time, wishing you all healthy days ahead.